friends, today let's see how to have an easy home remedy for cold, cough, indigestion and tastelessness in the mouth. Come, let's see how to make this easy Karpuravalli Tuvayal or Karpuravalli chutney. This plant is called Omavalli or Oma Ilai or Karpuravalli, or it is also called as Indian mint, Indian borage leaves. It has a nice aroma like ajwain or bishopweed or caraway seeds. It's also called as ajwain plant. The leaves are thick and they're very succulent, and it is a very easy plant to grow in a pot. Just keep a small cutting and it will start coming. It just needs a little bit of water every day, and even it comes very well in the shade. You can even keep it in the balcony or in terrace. It comes out really well. It is very good for cold and cough. The juice of this along with honey is given to children. It's a bit spicy for children, so but for elders it is very easy to take this. You can even eat these leaves as raw. It will taste good. It has a slight peppery taste. It can be prepared into tuvayal, rasam. It is very good for cold, cough, removing phlegm, indigestion, stomach ailments or upset. If your stomach is upset, you can have these leaves and it gives a very good cure. Come, let's see how to make a tuvayal out of these leaves. For the tuvayal or chutney, we require the leaves which are cleaned. We need red chilies, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, a pinch of asafoetida, 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut and salt. And to saute this, we need oil. Now, I have kept 1 teaspoon of oil here. When the oil becomes hot, I'm going to add asafoetida, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of urad dal, saute well till it gives a golden color. When it starts turning color, add the red chilies. I'm adding 3 red chilies here. The leaves are as such peppery and spicy, so please be careful with the amount of chilies you add. I'm adding the coconut and the leaves. Saute well till the leaves wilt. These are all very effective remedies for cold that can be done at home, along with the Pipili rasam. I have given the description and the contents below. I have also given the link to the recipe for Kandantipili rasam. Having turmeric milk at night and a kashayam during the day. I have given the link to all the I've given the links to all home cold remedies, cough remedies in the description box. Please check the description box. Without taking any medicines, these give good relief from cold and cough. When the leaves are starting to wilt, I'm going to add the required salt. The leaves have wilted. Now let this cool. We can grind it into a chutney or a tuvail. I'm adding a small piece of soaked tamarind to the mixer grinder. I'm going to add this leaves mix and grind it into a paste. I've taken everything in the mixer grinder. I've added a little water, 2 tablespoons water. Now I'm going to grind it. Now the chutney is ground and ready. Now our chutney is ready. I've rinsed the mixer grinder with a little water and I've added the water also to the ground mix. I have heated 1 teaspoon of oil. To this I am adding 2 pinches of mustard seeds and 2 pinches of urad dal. This is for tempering. You can add more. Now the tempering is ready. I am going to pour it in the chutney. I am adding a pinch of jaggery powder too to balance the taste. This is optional. Mix everything well and our chutney is ready. You can have this with rice and a little gingerly oil or ghee, or you can even have it with dosa, idli and tiffin varieties. If you have it for 2 to 3 days when you have cold and cough, you will get very good relief from the phlegm and the related problems. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.